Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have a very important update for Google Chrome that has arrived a couple of hours ago. Today, July 4th, 2022, and it contains particularly one very important fix for security. So it's 4 security flaws that are fixed, but one is actually exploited in the wild. That means people, the hackers out there, know about it and actually use it to exploit and control and inject malware into computers. So go to your Google Chrome web browser, upper right corner, 3 dots. Make sure that help and about Google Chrome you have updated to 103.0.5060.114. So it contains 4 security fixes, one about WebRTC, and that's the one that's actually been exploited in the wild. It's a 0-day bug that's already exploited by bad guys. The other ones, there's a problem with V8. There's another problem with the Chrome OS shell. So these are the things. And there's, of course, various fixes that they're working on also in here. So this means it's extremely important to update your browser, since especially high severity and 0-day that are exploited in the wild is not a good idea. So your web browser, always the first line of defense. It's very important to know that it's the way that you stay safe first. And remember, because I get that all the time, anybody saying, well, I got a good antivirus, it doesn't matter. Has nothing to do. Your antivirus will never detect that somebody through Google Chrome was able to actually inject malware and to take control of your PC. This is an indication that you have no idea what security is all about. And that is important to understand. Antivirus is of very little use to stay safe. Updates are very important, like this one. So check it out. Google Chrome 103.0.5060.114 update with a very bad 0-day exploited in the wild security flaw, but there's 4 security fixes total. Today, July the 4th, 2022. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.